Now we can see some of the cosmetic surgeries done in body: arm lift, lower body lift, buttock augmentation, post bariatric, non-surgical fat reduction, tummy tuck, liposuction, body contouring. What is an arm lift? An arm lift, also known as brachioplasty, it is a cosmetic surgical procedure to improve the appearance of the under portion of your upper arms. What happens in arm lift is that excess skin and fat is removed from the underarms. That means between the armpit and the elbow. The skin is then draped back over the newly repositioned contours to create a more toned look. I will show you the pictures later in another PPT. So just listen. It is an arm lift. Next is liposuction. Liposuction is a surgical procedure that uses a suction technique to remove fat from specific areas of the body, such as from the abdomen, hips, thighs, buttocks, arms and neck. Usually these are the areas where excess fat is deposited. So liposuction is the procedure of removing that fat from these regions. Liposuction also shapes these areas, and other names for liposuction include lipoplasty and body contouring. And this liposuction isn't typically considered an overall weight loss method or a weight loss alternative. If you are overweight, you are likely to lose more weight through diet and exercise or through bariatric procedures such as gastric bypass surgery than you would with the liposuction. So through liposuction we can maintain the contour of the body, but we are not able to maintain or lose the weight of the body. Next is buttock lift. Buttock lift is a cosmetic surgical procedure to improve the appearance of the buttocks. It's typically done as a part of belt lipectomy or lower body lift to contour the buttocks, groin, thighs and abdomen. What happens in buttock lift? Excess skin and fat are removed from the buttocks and the remaining skin is then repositioned to create a more toned look. Next is tummy tuck, also known as abdominoplasty. It is a cosmetic surgical procedure to improve the appearance of the abdomen. So in this also excess skin and fat are removed from the abdomen. In most cases, the connective tissues in the abdomen are tightened with the sutures as well. The remaining skin is then repositioned to create a more toned look. Then next are some of the cosmetic procedures done in breast. It includes breast revision, breast lift, breast augmentation, breast reduction, breast implants and male breast reduction. What is breast augmentation? It is also known as augmentation mammoplasty. It is a surgical procedure to increase the breast size. During breast augmentation, breast implants are placed under the breast tissue or chest muscles. For some women, breast augmentation is a way to enhance self-image and self-confidence. For that purpose only this procedure is doing, but it requires, it has some legal and ethical issues, and for all cosmetic procedure there are legal and ethical issues, and here according to the age, the permission of the parents is needed. For others, breast augmentation is part of breast reconstruction after surgery for breast cancer or other conditions affecting the breast. Then during the procedure, to insert the breast implant, your surgeon will make a single cut or incision in one of the three places. Which are those places? In the crease under your breast, that is inframammary area, just below your breast. Then under your arm, that is axillary region. Around your nipple, that is periareolar region. After making an incision, the surgeon will separate your breast tissue from the muscles and connective tissue of your chest. This creates a pocket either behind or in front of the outermost muscle of the chest wall. So after that, the surgeon will insert the implant into this pocket and center it behind your nipple. So saline implants are inserted empty and then filled with sterile salt water once they are in place. Silicone implants are filled with silicone gel. When the implant is in place, the incision will be closed, typically with sutures, and bandaged with skin adhesive and surgical tape. Next type is breast lift, also known as mastopexy. It is a surgical procedure to change the shape of your breast. During a breast lift, excess skin is removed and breast tissue is reshaped to restore firmness and raise the breast to a higher position. You might choose to have a breast lift if your breasts sag or your nipples point downward. A breast lift might also boost your self-image and self-confidence. So breast augmentation excess tissue is given, and in breast lift excess fat is removed. Then breast reduction surgery, it is same like mastopexy or breast lift. So in this case, otherwise known as reduction mammoplasty, it is a procedure used to remove excess fat, tissue and skin from the breast. If you have large breast, you might choose to have breast reduction surgery to ease discomfort or to achieve a breast size proportionate to your body. Next, the surgeries, cosmetic surgeries done in head. It include eyelash enhancement, facelift, nose reshaping, facial implants, cheek augmentation, forehead lift, chin augmentation, hair transplantation, ear surgery, lip augmentation and eyelid surgery.